about to reveal to you in this video is how you can use proxies to scale your online business, particularly if you're an affiliate. You see, most platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or TikTok ads, they're usually not fans of affiliate marketers, and that means making money on platforms like ClickBank, JVZoo, or if you go over to OfferVault and sign up to CPA networks like this, and you try to make money promoting these CPA offers or affiliate offers on any of these platforms I mentioned earlier, like be it Google Ads, Facebook, TikTok, it's likely you're going to get your account banned and deleted. And that is because these platforms have low tolerance for affiliate products or affiliate offers. So that is why it's very important using a proxy to bypass these problems. And as you can see for yourself, I personally use proxies to manage multiple accounts from Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok. I use it to manage ads accounts and even ordinary accounts I use for my CPA and affiliate promotions. And the only way I've been able to stay under the radar is by using proxies, because like I mentioned earlier, proxies can help you bypass all of these constant bans from this ad network or from these social media platforms. And the proxy provider I personally use is NodeMav, and that is because I've tried so many providers out there, but none of them come close to the quality you're going to get when using NodeMav proxy to manage your social media accounts and your ads account. And as you can see for yourself, they have over 95% proxies in their database. And that is not all. If you come over to the use case section, as you can see for yourself, there are so many use cases which you can use their proxies to scale your online businesses or your marketing efforts. And if you come over to website here, you can see you can use their proxies for Google, you can use it for Amazon, you can use it for YouTube, eBay, Facebook, you name it. You can use these proxies for any of these platforms to scale your online business easily. All right. And finally, you can use their proxies to farm accounts. And this means instead of purchasing Google Ads account or Facebook Ads account, you can simply create them yourself, because these accounts can get pretty expensive quickly. And also this prevents you from becoming victims of scam and fraud. So all you need to do now is to click on the link in the description, which is going to bring you to the NodeMav website. And if you come over to their website, you can see they have affordable plans starting from 30 euros per month, which is going to give you 5 gigabytes of traffic, up to 1,700 euros a month, which is going to give you 500 gigabytes of traffic. But if you're not ready to spend money right now, I highly recommend to click on the start trial, which is then going to give you 500 megabytes of traffic that you can use to try out NodeMav for yourself. So if you select any of the plan, let's say we are taking the 5 gigabyte plan as an example. So it's going to bring you to this page. So if you come over to the apply coupon section and you type in XB and click on apply, this is going to give you extra 2 gigabytes of free traffic you can use for various purposes. So once you get any of the plans, your dashboard is going to look like this, and all you simply need to do is to come over to the location settings, and this is where you can select any country of your choice. And I'm going to take United States as an example. So if I select United States here, as you can see, I can select any region or any state in the US. So if I take this state as an example, you can also come over and target specific cities in this state, and also you can target any internet service provider of your choice. So once you do this, all you then need to do is to come over to this section that says number of proxy, and I'm going to type in 20 right here so that we can generate 20 proxies to test the quality of NodeMav proxy. So all I'm going to do here is to then copy these proxies, and then I'm going to use this tool called Pixel Scan to test out the quality of NodeMav proxy. So all I need to do is to paste in the proxy here and then click on check proxies. So as you can see for yourself, the success rate of these proxies is 100% and the quality level is high. And that tells you the quality you can expect from NodeMav proxy. So now that we know NodeMav proxies are of high quality, the next thing we are going to be needing is an anti-detect browser so that we can use our proxies with this browser to manage multiple accounts. And there are many anti-detect browsers out there you can use. The one I personally use is multi-login, and I'll leave a link in the description. So once you are in your anti-detect browser account, all you need to do is to click on new profile. So I'm going to take Facebook as the name of this profile. Okay, so let me say something like Facebook 100. And now you want to then come over to this section that says proxy, and you want to then click on custom. And once you click on this, you want to go back to your NodeMav account and you want to copy one of these proxies, or you can come over here and click on one, and this is going to allow you to generate one proxy. So once you copy the proxy you want to use, all you then need to do is to go back to your anti-detect browser and you want to paste in the proxy in this box. So once you paste in the proxy in this box, all you then need to do is to click on create profile. You want to then launch the profile. So once you then open up the browser, you are going to automatically see the location of that proxy. And now you can then go ahead to create a Facebook account or whatever purpose you want to use this account for. So I'm going to go over to facebook.com as an example, since that is the purpose of this profile. So once we come over to Facebook, you can come over here and click on create new account, and this way you can create brand new Facebook account, or you can simply go over to ads.facebook.com. You can then create a Facebook ad account which you can use to find new customers for your affiliate business. Okay, so it's very simple. All you just need to do is to click on create ad here, and it's going to take you to a page where you can create a Facebook account. However, I recommend to create a Facebook account first before you create an ad account. All right, and to do that, it's very simple. All you need to do is to enter your basic information, email, password, and you'll be able to create an account right away. And the same applies to Google Ads as well and TikTok ads. All you simply need to do is to generate proxies from any country of your choice, and you can use that proxy to create an account in any of these social media platforms, and that way you can target people from that specific country. Okay, and like I mentioned earlier, you want to create multiple accounts because these platforms are not really a fan of affiliate networks or CPA offers.